Right, you guys, I kept getting in these 50-pack boxes that you saw me open. Lots of unique and funny looking Hot Wheels cars. And so I thought, you know what, I'll do a video specifically on some of these crazy or odd looking cars. So we'll start with this one. It's called Head Gasket, which is pretty funny. I was like, this thing looks like a motorcycle racing helmet or something. But it's kind of funny to check out. So I got a bunch of cars I want to show you guys and kind of go through with you. But you know, oh wow, that spins really good. I bet that'll go fast down the track. Yeah, so I'll probably pick a bunch and then do a race off with these. Oh, that little one doesn't spin as fast. But that's kind of funny car. All right, next car. Now this one I thought was pretty cool. It's called Tooligan. You can see there it's got like a wrench on the back, which I wonder, maybe I could actually use it for something. A lot of these too are like the experimotors cars, which is pretty fun. That's just like the bricking speed one I showed you guys before, which was cool because it comes apart, right? And that's one of the from the experimotor line that Hot Wheels is doing. So anyway, so we'll check out this Tooligan. The tires on that are cool. Let's crack this thing open. Man, you guys, I am getting fast at opening Hot Wheels car boxes. Hot Wheels tools. Yeah, I probably use that for something. I don't know what. It's a Hot Wheels car / tool. Oh look, there's like a nut in there. I wonder, does that open? Oh yeah, look it. So on the back of these, they have special features. So you can twist that. And there's like a nut in there. I'm wondering if that opens. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be working for me. Anyways, there's Tooligan. All right, next car is Velociracer. I saw this and I was like, I don't know. I mean, it's cool. It's a dinosaur. My kids like dinosaurs, so now my son will love this car. Velociracer. Ooh, it is pretty cool. I mean, look at the detail in the tail and leg and stuff on that. You know, a lot of these, they seem like, because they got these metal bottoms on some of these, so they seem like that they would roll really fast down the track. So anyways, let's check out this one. Now this one is really cool. It's a wheelie chair, and I think something that is nice about this one is you can actually you can put like a Lego guy in it. Check this out. So it's a wheelchair, a wheelie chair, right? You can pop a wheelie and put a little Lego guy in there. Oh, come on now. Okay, maybe he doesn't fit as good as I thought he would, but it's pretty cool. I thought this one was unique. Again, it's one of those experimotors. Just really funny that they did this experimotors. It's just got all kinds of unique ones. This is called the Coop clip, and it looks like a red bar of soap. I don't know. What do you guys think? You can tell me in the comments, but it's pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. It kind of reminds me of like a super outfit, like a concept car. What the? There's no wheels on this. What? There are no wheels on that. Oh, look it's like a keychain. See that? You always got to check the back of these things to see what they're about. But this one, you throw it on your keys. That is cool. I think I'll do that. I think I just got myself a new keychain. 2021. This just came out last year. Oh, how fun! I love it. That is cool. Yeah, I don't know why I didn't catch right off the bat that it didn't have wheels, but it'll make a good keychain. So cool, right on. That's a nice car. All right, this next one, kit cart. Now I guess they have this whole line of ride-ons, and I'm sure there's a lot of cool and other unique cars out there, but I'm just showing you guys what I've been getting in my packs. So these ride-ons, you can put a character in there. Ooh, that one is a hard one to open. Okay, we got it. Ooh, look at that. I like the wheels on that. That's cool. Oh, it's even got a seatbelt. Safety first, kids. Yeah, check this out. So we'll take a little Lego guy and see if he can fit in there. There we go. There we go. I mean, he mostly fits. Okay, cool. Well, there you go, the Hot Wheels kit cart. Check out the next one. Now, I pulled this one because when I think of Hot Wheels, I think of cars. I don't necessarily think of motorcycles, but it's still cool to see. And maybe the Lego guy will fit on that one. I don't know. Honda. It's 2022. So this came out or was issued this year. There you go. A Honda Hot Wheels bike. Let's see if he don't fit. Well, anyways, that's the motorcycle. Now I have these ones. These Compact Kings is like a whole line of like cars that they have. Like here's some other ones I've opened before. They're just like these little fun little mini cars. Maybe, I don't know. One thing I liked about this one is got a little skateboard in the back there. Isn't that cool? It's got a tire jack, a Soda tire shop. Anyways, I thought that one was cool. And of course, you got this mini one here. A tire in the back too. All right, let's open this rocket box up. Ooh. Some fat tires on that tiny car. Like I said, I wonder how fast these things are. Are they like the VW symbol? Volkswagen? Rocket box, huh? There's rocket box for you. All right. This was another unique one. It's not in the box, but it's like the fall car. And it's got these skinny tires, like so thin. But anyways, I figure it's appropriate because we're in October, approaching Halloween. An honorable mention. All right, this one is unique. Twin mill. I think that, yeah, it says then and now. They've had this kind of car out there before. I'll have to look up what the old vintage, well, one of these looked like. But there you go. I actually like that sparkly paint job. Look at the light shine on that. It's got the twin engines on it. I don't know how twin engines would really work on a real car. But it's kind of cool for this one. Kind of like space concept-y looking ride there. Hot Wheels logo there on the back. So these plastic bottoms, one thing I liked about the vintage ones, a lot of them just die cast metal bottoms. So there's that one. Another one, these food cars, like this one I think was called the Taco Asada. What's it? Oh yeah, the Carde Asada. That's funny, the Carde Asada. It's got some little lemons and stuff down, limes, right? And I guess that's a racer right there. Yeah, little racer racing his Hot Wheels Carde Asada car. Another one of those ride-ons. I noticed something cool is this one actually looks like it would, you know, I keep pulling the Lego guy here, but it looks like it might actually fit the Lego guy. It's from the ride-on line. Die-cast bottom. I love that. All right, so let's see if he'll fit in there. Yes. Oh, look at that. He can even grab on. I know he's missing an arm. You guys will tell me in the comments, hey, your dude's missing an arm. It's all right. It's all right. He can still grab on with the other arm. But that's cool. That's cool. You can grab on there and ride this thing. It's nice. Nice. Okay. This next one I thought was cool because it's a robot. If you ever played Rock'em Sock'em Robots, this is derived from that. I've only seen a blue one. I haven't seen a red one. Metal bottom, which is cool on, you know, I like the metal bottoms. You can see the axle right in there. That's cool. Anyway, so that is the Rock'em Sock'em Robots car. Now this one, what I like about a lot of these is it's called the Bubble-matic, is they have these special features. Like this one, this flips up like this, and then you can dip it in some bubbles and blow bubbles with that. The Bubble-matic. Those special feature cars are cool. So I just thought I'd mention that. Well, look at the little fan, like his underwater can go. The shark car. I think this one's been a popular one. It's just got these giant teeth on the front of it. Could you imagine driving down the road and this like coming up behind you? You'd be like, what on earth is going on there? With its 4 exhaust tips there. It's kind of a cool and unique one. Look, there's a small seat in there. I like that graphic too. All right, now this one, I pulled this because it reminded me of a Barbie car. Does it say there on the back? Does that say Barbie? Extra. I don't know. I can't read it. Oh yeah, Barbie Extra. Okay. Yeah, well that's why it reminded me of a Barbie car, is because it is a Barbie car. I thought that was unique, and I know Hot Wheels has tried different things to appeal to little girls. In fact, in one of the most expensive Hot Wheels cars was a car that it was bright pink and it had a surfboard out the back of it. And it's expensive because they're rare, because a lot of the boys that collected Hot Wheels didn't really like it and they smashed them up. So I think that's a car that's worth over 100K today. Any of you guys that know what I'm talking about, that's a unique car. Maybe I'll throw a picture of it in somewhere. Now this one, I don't really love this. It's weird. It's like it's got a skull and then a spine. Like, it's like a creepy death car with horns. But there is something I like about this. And it's got a metal bottom. Oh, look at the bottom of that. It's got like rib cage and little bones. So this car is called the Skull Crusher. You can see it there, the Skull Crusher. All right, Skull Crusher. Now, I liked this one because you don't see a lot of like space, like Lunar type stuff. But I thought that this was really cool. It's a Hot Wheels Lunar loader. Space car. Another one of those food ones, the Hot Wheels Legend Burger. It's like a food truck, right? See, it's got the menu on there: burgers, fries, hot dogs, sundaes, and drinks. I'm getting hungry just reading about this. But what I think let's see, do those fries go up and down? No. Anyways, that's kind of a unique one. And then last but not least is this alligator looking car. What is this called? This is a Mattel. It doesn't even have a name on it. Anyways, I thought it was just really funny looking. It's like a alligator, but it's got like these arms, which is creepy. And yeah, I like the bright green color. All right, you guys, here are all the cars that we looked at. A lot of fun, a lot of unique ones. If you guys like the video, let me know, and I'll catch you next time.